welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, class 6th, and the subject is English grammar, and the chapter is 26, and the name of the chapter is prepositions. Now we will see what is the prepositions. Here is the definition of the preposition. You can see preposition is a word or a group of words, also we can say, that shows the relationship between of the noun or a pronoun to some other word in the sentences. That means here the preposition is a word, and we can say it is also one of the group of words also, and it shows the relationship. That means the relation between a word and a noun or a pronoun that comes after the preposition. That means after the preposition only we can see the relation between a word, a noun or a pronoun. So this relationships of the words is known as the preposition. Now again we will see the here example: above, across, on, below, in, between, behind, through, under, out, of, against, over, toward. Here is also one more sentences is given. A preposition is a word that relates parts of the sentence which it uses the direction also, location also, and or the time also. All together it includes in one preposition. See, here is the list of the preposition example. We can see the many words which is related to the location, direction or the time. Some prepositions we can say it indicate the direction, and some preposition it indicates the position. In the direction we can see the words along, towards. So these are the words which are indicates the direction, and some words are indicates the position. That means the between, the under, besides, beneath, below. These are the position. And some preposition indicates the time. That means the during, for. So these are the examples of the preposition. Next is the compound preposition. What is a compound preposition? Compound preposition consists of the two or the three words. That means it combines the two or the three words. That is known as the compound preposition. We can see the examples of the compound prepositions here. According to, that means the two words is there, or more than two words is we can also see here. On account of, on top of, out of, instead of. These are the two words, and the below the last three one is the three words. That means combining of the two or the three words. That means consist of the two or the three words. That is known as the compound preposition. See, here is the examples of the compound prepositions. You can see it is more than one word. That means two word or the more than two words. That is according to, has of, as well as, aside from, because of, by means of, in addition to, in front of, in place of, in regard to, in respect to, in spite of, instead of, on account of, out of, prior to. These are the words which consist the compound preposition. I hope so all the points are clear. Thank you.